Hey y'all, it's me, Kamari Bangs. I'm back with another video, and I'm sure y'all read that title and seen that thumbnail. I am doing another unboxing video. I'm trying to be consistent, especially with the type of content I'm trying to push out. So of course, it's a unboxing video for some shades. And I'm gonna just hop straight into it. I know y'all done heard of Dearra, right? If not, that's okay, because I'm here to hip y'all. That's what I'm here for. I put people on. So, it's a shade unboxing video. The brand is called LORVAE by Dearra Taylor, LORVAE. This collection is from the Twin Flame collection with her and JT. Yes, JT from City Girls. So when you open the box, this is how my package came. Of course, all this has been opened. I'd have looked at them, but for the sake of the video, open the box is LORVAE. It has a thank you card. It's a picture of her and JT. They do really look like twins. So I see why they made it the Twin Flame collection and all that. On the back of the card, it just say, thank you. We are honored to have you as a valued customer. LORVAE has created a fashionably shade. LORVAE had, I can read y'all, I promise y'all. It say LORVAE was created to fashionably shade you. We carefully selected and designed our glasses with the attention to detail. Ensure they meet the highest standards of quality and durability. Let LORVAE help you express your creativity, individuality, and confidence. Sincere, LORVAE team. So boom, this is the little thank you card. The pair that I did get, this is the box. Like I said, it's the Twin Flame collection. So it's JTxLORVAE. Flames all over it. This pair that I got is called the Villains. They're the Black Peppers. I can't talk today, but y'all get what I'm saying. Villain Black Peppers. Boom. So this is the box. Flames all over LORVAE JT. When you open the box, the air make all these boxes so hard to open. I'd have ripped it all up. But inside, this is the glass case. Hard, big, I like it. LORVAE times JT in gold lettering. Very consistent with just like this whole packaging, the whole scheme of things. Very consistent. So when I open it up, I love the inside. It's like a velvet type inside, and I don't know if y'all can see that, but it says JTxLORVAE again. Inside, okay, this is my lens cloth. It's all black. JTxLORVAE. Very consistent. Typical Dearra. If y'all know her, she's consistent with her products, so not a surprise. Inside the box is my dust bag for my shades. Again, very consistent. Gold writing, all black. Inside, y'all, brace yourself. These are fire. It's black on black with the gold logos. These are the LORVAE logos. The reason that I really got these drawing my attention to these was like this double nose piece. I don't know why, I loved it. Something different, and I needed an all black shade, and I wanted the lens to be black as well, so it's like black on black. I'm not a big fan of gold because I wear a lot of silver, but this will do. Gold on both sides with the logo. Say LORVAE right here in the upper right hand corner. On the right side of the lens, it says LORVAE. On the left side, it says Villain. Very, 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 very durable. I could tell. I'm gonna give y'all so I don't have the hairstyle to really match these, but I'm gonna just give y'all a look. As y'all can see, I love them. I love them. The black on black. It was everything that I expected in the pictures. Then once they came, I'm like, yep, this was it. So I was going back and forth. Then she got another black on black pair. I think these were the ones JT picked. So how the collection went, Dearra had her picks on the shades that she liked, And then JT had her picks on the shades she liked. And they collaborated to do like a whole collection. But I believe these are the ones JT picked. This is JT picks. But I love them. Everything I wanted and more. Very durable. Dearra never upset. This is my third pair of LORVAE shades. At this point, I'm a collector. I try to get one from every collection if I like them. So this is my disclaimer. Some of the collections was just hit or miss to me. Like some of them I didn't really care for, so I didn't purchase anything. But this Twin Flame collection, I think it's one or two more that I've been looking at that I gotta get before the summer. It's a yellow pair with the red tint. Must have for the summer. Must haves. But these are LORVAE shades by Dearra Taylor. This is from the Twin Flame collection, LORVAE times JT. These are the Villain shades, aka the Black Peppers. And I believe these are JT picks. I could be wrong. This might be one Dearra picked. Anyway, Bangs picked it. Y'all go get it. If y'all was new to the LORVAE brand, had never heard of her, I hope I hipped y'all. Go back and look at some of her other collections. She has really good shades, good quality, nice price. So I'm big on quality, style, price, and just getting my money's worth at this point. I ain't never thought I'd be at this age of mine saying that, but I am. Price, quality, and they gotta be fashionable. They gotta have a little style to them. And I felt like these were definitely it. So these were a must cop for me. If y'all made it this far in the video, thank y'all. I tried to just really try to do a real quick review, but really give y'all a breakdown of everything down to the unboxing. If y'all haven't watched some of my older videos, unboxings, I do purses, I do shades, I do shoes, I do a little bit of everything, perfume. Just go back, check some of my other videos out.